Are you trying to buy a US iTunes gift card but you're not in the US? And every website either charges too much, takes forever to deliver, or just declines your payment? Yeah, that struggle is real. Today, I'm going to show you a safe, fast, and affordable way to buy US iTunes gift cards from anywhere in the world using a platform called Lootbar. By the end of this video, you'll know where to buy cheaper iTunes gift cards, how fast the delivery actually is, and why Lootbar is becoming a favorite platform worldwide. But before we do that, let me just remind you that this is just an informational video. Always do your own research before making any decisions. Let's get into it. So first things first, what is Lootbar? Lootbar is an online digital marketplace where you can buy discounted digital gift cards, including US iTunes gift cards. These iTunes gift cards work with US Apple IDs only, and you can use them on the app stores, iTunes, Apple Music, Apple TV Plus, Apple Books, games, and in-app purchases. Whether you're subscribing to Apple Music, buying apps, topping up games, or renting movies, these gift cards cover it all. One thing I really like is the flexible denominations. Lootbar offers value starting from as low as $3 all the way up to $100, which means no forced overspending, no unused balance sitting in your account, and you buy exactly what you need. Now, quick question. Why do people even want US iTunes gift cards? Here are some common reasons. First, US Apple IDs often get early access to apps and content. Some apps, games, and subscriptions are only available in the US. US iTunes stores sometimes have better pricing or exclusive content. And it's a safe way to pay without linking a credit card. If you're outside the US though, buying these gift cards can be a nightmare, and that's where Lootbar comes in. Let's talk about price, because this is where Lootbar really stands out. Compared to the official Apple Store, reseller websites, and peer-to-peer platforms, Lootbar is simply cheaper. Here's what that looks like. A $5 iTunes gift card costs less than $5. A $10 card comes with a visible discount. Even $50 and $100 cards are cheaper than face value. Now, this savings might look small at first, but if you recharge games regularly, pay monthly subscriptions, or buy gift cards often, those discounts add up fast over time. Why pay more for the same digital code? Another huge problem with gift card websites is slow delivery. Some platforms make you wait hours, a full day, or even longer with manual verification. With Lootbar, that's not an issue. Once your payment is successful, the gift card code is delivered automatically, usually within minutes, and always well under 30 minutes. No emails back and forth, no support tickets, no stress. You pay and the code shows up. If you've ever tried buying a US gift card outside the US, you already know the problem. Most platforms block international cards, reject local payments methods, or require US billing address. Lootbar solves that. You can buy US iTunes gift cards from anywhere in the world using supported international payment options. This makes it perfect for international users, travelers, expats, or anyone without a US credit card. No region lock headaches. Now let's talk about trust, because this part matters. Lootbar offers a 7-day after sales guarantee, refund protection if something goes wrong, secure transactions, and 24/7 customer support. All top-ups and gift cards use official and traceable channels, which means your Apple account stays safe. No risk of bans, no shady third-party tricks. That peace of mind is huge. Lootbar isn't some random website either. Here's the social proof. 20,000 plus gift cards sold. 5.0 rating, hundreds of verified reviewers. Many users report receiving their code in under 1 minute, redeeming successfully, and hundreds of verified reviews. Many users report receiving their code in under 1 minute, redeeming successfully on the first try, and no payment issues at all. That consistency is why people keep coming back. Once you receive your code, redeeming it is simple. On your iPhone or iPad, open the App Store, tap your profile icon, tap Redeem Gift Card, and enter the code. On Mac or PC, open your Apple Music or iTunes, go to Account, click Redeem, and enter the code. Your balance updates instantly, and you're good to go. So if you're looking for cheaper US iTunes gift cards, fast delivery, and a trusted platform that works globally, Lootbar is a solid choice. I'll leave the link in the description below so you can check it out yourself. If this video helped you, drop a like, subscribe for more guides like this, and comment if you've used Lootbar or plan to try it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.